How to manage multiple card in Google Play app. In order to manage multiple card in Google Wallet app, you can add any number of cards, credit card, debit card, to your profile. What you want to do is, first thing first, you actually want to open up Google Wallet app. So once you open the Google Wallet app, you can then press onto the profile initials at the top right hand side corner of the screen. So let me just go ahead and quickly install this app. Once I'm done installing, click open up and go to the profile or select your Google profile. After which you want to go ahead and select the profile initials and you want to go to payment methods. As you're taken to the payment section, you could go ahead and select add a card or add credit or debit card. You could go ahead and scan your physical card or enter details manually. And you could follow the prompt to accept the terms and verify the card with OTP from your bank. And that's how you're going to manage multiple cards in Google Pay app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.